Hey, welcome back. So glad you're here. Angela from Creating It, and I'm super excited to show you this new technique. It's an increase stitch, and basically you'll see it in patterns marked as KFB. And so what that means is you want to knit into the front and the back of the same loop. Yes, so you will be performing this whole routine at the same time in the same stitch, but don't let it intimidate you. It's actually really easy to do, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it.
And that way, when you're out knitting and people are watching you, they're going to be thinking, how does she learn how to do that?
So go ahead and grab your stuff and let me show you how to do this. Okay, so here I have a sample swatch and I'm just knitting. And what I'm going to do is show you how to do this knit into the front and back of the same loop. Okay, so I knit a few stitches in right here. You can see my swatch. And so what we're going to do is we're going to do that in this next stitch right here. So when you're going to knit into the front and the back of the same loop, they mean you're going to knit here and then you're going to knit here next. And I'm going to show you exactly how we do that. So go ahead and grab your work and go through that first stitch as if to knit like normal. Wrap your yarn and then go through. Now our next step would normally be to slip this off and we would be done with the knit stitch. But instead we're going to stop just short of the last step. And then what we're going to do is, you see that back part right there? We're actually going to knit into that back part. So we're going to go over that needle and then we're going to go in through the back part of that loop and then we're going to yarn over and then pull that up through here. And now go ahead and let this loop fall off. And if you look at that, you can see where we had knit this one into the front of the loop, and right here, this is the one that went into the back of the loop. And you can see the one with the back of the loop has a little bit of a bar right there. So let's go ahead and try that again. Let me first knit a couple of stitches regularly. Okay, and then now what we'll do is that again. So go ahead, knit like you normally would. Now before slipping off, we just go over that one to the back of the loop right there. Push through. Now yarn over. Then come through, push, and now let this fall off. And you can see what that looks like. And you can see where we did it right here and then right here. So I'll do it a couple more times for you just so you can get the knack of it. So I'll knit 2 stitches regularly. Okay. Now let's knit into the front and the back of the loop. KFB. So knit like normal. Don't slip this off. Go over the top. Go through the back of the loop. Yarn over. Okay. Come through. Now let this one fall off. Okay, so let's do it one more time. Let me knit a regular one. Okay, so now let's KFB, knit into the front and the back of this loop. So knit like normal. Don't slip that off. Go over the top, through the back loop, yarn over, push through. Now let this fall off. Okay, so that was pretty much it on how to knit into the front and back of the same loop. So I hope this was super helpful to you. I appreciate you stopping by, and I hope you have a wonderful knitting day today. So until next time, I'll see you later.